Hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see what our if else statement does. In previous video, we are seeing that what are the if statement does. So let's start. The if statement alone tells us if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statement, and if the condition is false, then it will won't. Video I have discussed that if the condition is true, then the only if block will execute. If the condition is false, then the if block will not be executed. But what if I want to do something else if the condition is false? If the condition is false, then what will we do then? Here comes the else statement. We can use the else statement with the if statement to execute a block of code when the condition is false. And another block called else statement. In else statement, what the else statement does, if the condition is true, then the if block will execute. Okay, if the condition is not true, the condition is false, then the else block will executed. So let's see the syntax of the if else statement, how we'll write in the Java. So syntax of the if else statement is, if condition, here we write condition, if the condition is true, then this block will execute. Okay, if the condition here given is false, then the else block will execute. So this is the scenario of if else statement. So let's jump to our demonstration and let's see how the if statement will work. So let's start the demonstration. So I have created a class called demo, and in that I am creating a main method. In that main method, I am creating two variables. First, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. Then I am writing the if else statement. If a is greater than b, okay, then print a is greater than b. Okay. Else, if the condition is false, then it will print b is greater than a. Okay. Now let's run this code and see what will be the output. So the output is a is greater than b. So the condition is true because I have given a as 20 and b as 10. So the condition is true here in this case. So the if block will execute. Then what if I will decrease the a value? Let's say I have given the a value as 5. Then run this code. Now see, b is greater than a is printed. It checks the condition. The condition is now false in this scenario. Then it will not execute the if block. It goes directly into the else block and else block will execute it. So thank you for watching this video.